Hi guys, I'm Karunya Rao, and in Ideas for Profit, today we tell you what makes Tech Mahindra a worthy investment bet at current levels. The company posted a strong set of numbers for Q1 FY22. Revenue performance was impressive and broad-based across verticals, with healthy contribution coming in from communication and enterprise verticals. Deal win was strong and deal pipeline was robust. While wage revision and supply side pressures suppressed the margins to some extent, the company has ample levers to arrest the decline even amid all the supply side constraints. In addition to the 5G rollout from the network side, preparing enterprise infrastructure for 5G adoption is an area of opportunity for TechM that can translate into meaningful business, and early signs are already visible. FY22 is a year to rally, and we see the company surpassing modest guidance of double-digit organic revenue growth comfortably. Telecom could be a very meaningful opportunity in FY23 with strong revenue and earnings visibility. The undemanding valuation at 15.1x FY23 projected earnings offers great value, especially seen in the context of huge tailwinds for the sector as well as for the company. The reported profit for the quarter got a boost from higher investment income on surplus funds, foreign exchange gain against a loss in the preceding quarter, and normalization of tax rate. Revenue for Q1 at $1,383.6 million showed a growth of 4.1% in reported and 3.9% in constant currency. Given the suppressed base of a year ago quarter, YOY growth was 14.6% in reported and 10.8% in constant currency terms. Growth was supported by both communication and enterprises, with year-on-year improvement of 7.8% and 12.9% respectively in constant currency. The growth in communication came albeit Q1 being a seasonally weak period. The business process services, which is also called BPS segment, showed a strong sequential growth in double digits. Turning to the key industry verticals, then all five key verticals, communication, manufacturing, technology, banking, and retail, saw double-digit year-on-year growth in reported currency. Sequentially too, performance was broad-based across industries. The key markets of Americas and Europe, with a revenue share of almost 74%, exhibited strong mid-single-digit sequential growth. TechM saw decent sequential as well as year-on-year growth in its top 5, top 10 and top 20 accounts. Deal win at more than $815 million came in from both enterprise as well as communication verticals, with the company bagging largest deal in healthcare and BPS. While hinting at a strong growth journey in FY22, the management reiterated its guidance of double-digit organic growth with EBIT margin of at least 15% despite the supply-side challenges. Net headcount addition was over 5,200, and company has plans to aggressively add both lateral as well as freshers to create the right supply to respond to the strong demand. After witnessing a sharp improvement in operating margin in the preceding quarter, the company saw 130 basis points decline in EBIT margin to 15.2%. The key drags here being salary hike implemented in the quarter, along with visa costs, seasonal weakness in communication, and higher subcontracting costs. Operating leverage and efficiency and lower SG&A costs were some of the mitigating factors on the other hand. Despite the wage hike, tight labor market with demand far outstripping supply resulted in a spike in attrition rate from 13% to 17%. With utilization touching a high of 89%, the hiring will have to remain strong and retention costs high, which might negatively impact margins. However, management is confident of stability in margins coming from strong revenue. The year has started on a strong note, which is likely to accelerate further given the order wins and pipeline. While supply side challenges persist, it is unlikely to be a deterrent to execution. Tech Mahindra is seeing positive momentum from enterprise as well as communication, with strong visibility on the 5G front. The investments made in the areas of 5G, customer experience, management, AI, cloud, data analytics, and IoT puts TechM on a strong pedestal. The robust outlook along with undemanding valuations make it an attractive large cap bet to ride on the strong technology upcycle.